7th chapter. Meteorology. Weight of clouds, average is million pounds. In the Quran, clouds have weight. Skeptics claim if clouds had weight they would have fallen to the ground. Today scientists confirm that clouds are very heavy. Science says. How much does a cloud weigh? Do you think clouds have any weight? How can they, if they are floating in the air like a balloon filled with helium? If you tie a helium balloon to a kitchen scale it won't register any weight, so why should a cloud? Doing the math, 1 billion by 0.5 equals 500 million grams of water droplets in our cloud. That is about 500,000 kilograms. Or 1.1 million pounds, about 551 tons. U.S. Geological Survey, The Atmosphere and the Water Cycle, 2019. A typical cloud has a volume of around 1 cubic kilometer and a density of around 1.003 kilograms per cubic meter. About 0.4% lower than that of the surrounding air, which is why they float. So cranking through the maths, that means that a typical cloud weighs around 1 million tons. So the clouds turned out to be very heavy. Average cloud above your head weighs about 100 elephants. This was known recently, however this was portrayed in the Quran 1,400 years before it was discovered. The Quran comes from a time and especially a place with very little to no general scientific knowledge. It would be very tempting to assume that the clouds were light objects in the air. In fact, people still assume so. But Allah, the creator of those same clouds, would not make such a mistake. These verses are proof that the Holy Quran is God's divine word. Quran says in Surah Al-Araf 7:57, "It is He who sends the wind ahead of His mercy. Then, when they have gathered up heavy clouds, we drive them to a dead land, where we make water come down, and with it we bring out all kinds of fruits. Thus we bring out the dead, perhaps you will reflect."
وهو الذي يرسل الرياح بشرا بين يدي رحمته حتى إذا أقلت سحابا ثقالا سقناه لبلد ميت فأنزلنا به الماء فأخرجنا به من كل الثمرات كذلك نخرج الموتى لعلكم تذكرون.
Quran says in Surah Ar-Ra'd 13-12, "It is He who shows you the lightning, causing fear and hope. And He produces the heavy clouds."
هو الذي يريكم البرق خوفا وطمعا وينشئ السحاب الثقال.
Thiqal means heavy. Here the clouds have weight. Today we know that clouds are not weightless as previously thought but rather are very heavy. How could an illiterate man who lived 1,400 years ago have known that clouds have weight?